Algorand cost most certainly equivalent to $0.2251 a coin in a sort of huge manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.2211 0.2397, or so they generally thought. The earlier day close, 0.2350, which fundamentally is very huge. The change truly was 0.0099, 4.21%, or so they especially thought. Backwards rate, USD to ALGO, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they thought. Algorand cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, costs $0.27, in every way that really matters. Most extreme 0.29, least 0.25 amazingly. Algorand figure on Monday. April, 3, costs $0.27. For the most part greatest 0.29, really least 0.25, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, costs $0.26, really greatest 0.28, sort of least 0.24, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday. April, 5, costs $0.27, really greatest 0.29, least 0.25 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, costs $0.27, genuinely greatest 0.29, lovely least 0.25, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand figure on Friday. April, 7, costs $0.26, especially most extreme 0.28, fundamentally least 0.24, which in every practical sense is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, costs $0.27, especially most extreme 0.29, sort of least 0.25, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday. April, 11, costs $0.26, really greatest 0.28, in every practical sense, least 0.24. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, costs $0.28, sort of greatest 0.30, truly least 0.26, which truly is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Algorand estimate on Thursday. April, 13, costs $0.27, kind of greatest 0.29, truly least 0.25 in a genuinely large way. Algorand cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, costs $0.28, fundamentally most extreme 0.30, sort of least 0.26 in a sort of significant manner. Algorand estimate on Monday. April, 17, costs $0.27, exceptionally greatest 0.29, sort of least 0.25. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, costs $0.29, especially greatest 0.31, genuinely least 0.27, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand figure on Wednesday. April, 19, costs $0.30, genuinely greatest 0.32, in every way that really matters, least 0.28, or so they fundamentally thought. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. April, 20, costs $0.28, kind of greatest 0.30, fundamentally least 0.26. Algorand conjecture on Friday. April, 21, costs $0.29, all things considered, greatest 0.31, kind of least 0.27, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 24, costs $0.30, fundamentally most extreme 0.32, exceptionally least 0.28, showing how the change by and large was 0.0099, 4.21% in an unobtrusive way. Algorand estimate on Tuesday. April, 25, costs $0.32, truly most extreme 0.34, especially least 0.30 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 26, costs $0.32, lovely greatest 0.34, kind of least 0.30, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Algorand estimate on Thursday. April, 27, costs $0.32, beautiful greatest 0.34, truly least 0.30 in a really significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday. April, 28, costs $0.30, greatest 0.32, genuinely least 0.28, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand estimate on Monday. May, 1, costs $0.28, truly most extreme 0.30, certainly least 0.26, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO conversion standard in every practical sense. equivalent to 4.4425 coins per $1, showing that in about 14 days Algorand gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.27, truly most extreme 0.29, in every way that really matters, least 0.25 in a huge way. Today, S reach 4.1719 minus 4.5228 in a kind of huge way. The past day, S nearby 4.2553, which essentially is very critical. Change for now plus 0.1872, plus 4.40% in a very significant way. USD to ALGO cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future in month, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Friday. Walk 31 cost 3.704 coins, kind of most extreme 4.000, kind of least 3.448, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.30, lovely greatest 0.32, beautiful least 0.28, which is very critical. USD to ALGO forecast on Monday, April 3, cost 3.704 coins, especially most extreme 4.000, exceptionally least 3.448, which in a real sense shows that the past day, S nearby, 4.2553 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 3.846 coins, by and large most extreme 4.167, lovely least 3.571 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 3.704 coins, greatest 4.000, genuinely least 3.448, which especially shows the Algorand gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $0.26, for the most part greatest 0.28, truly least 0.24 in an every practical sense, significant way. In multi-week dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 3.704 coins, genuinely greatest 4.000, beautiful least 3.448, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 3.846 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 4.167, beautiful least 3.571 in an essentially enormous way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, April 10, cost 3.704 coins, most extreme 4.000, genuinely least 3.448 in a truly significant way. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 3.846 coins, really most extreme 4.167, certainly least 3.571, exhibiting how the change fundamentally was 0.0099, 4.21%, which basically is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 3.571 coins, genuinely greatest 3.846, least 3.333, exhibiting how Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.27, beautiful most extreme 0.29, in every way that really matters, least 0.25 in a by and large enormous manner. In about 14 days USD to ALGO forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 3.704 coins, by and large greatest 4.000, really least 3.448, which especially is